Hello. You don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game.
This tutorial requires basically no skills at all except the skills that are required. And preparation time is 0, application time about 30 minutes, 45, maybe an hour, depending on how skilled you are. This costs about nothing. Because you probably already have the stuff at home. So let's get busy with those smoky eyes. And with smoke, we need darkness. Deep charcoal darkness. And speaking of darkness and black things, do you take your coffee black, or what do you actually have in it? I usually take mine black. And yeah, I like it like that. Really kickstart a day with a cup of coffee. Anyway, switch to that brush there to really blend that black tone into the skin. The soft edge is key to the actual smoky look. So there is going to be a lot of blending and mixing and fading out here. Adding a little warmth on the transition to the eyelid there. And since it's fairly clear what Ellie is doing here, we might as well have a little psychology session, you and I. So let's talk about our emotions for a bit. If you are going on a first date, are you nervous? Why are you actually nervous about that? And do you always speak your mind? Do you say and talk about your feelings? Tell us in the comments. Let's hear how deep or shallow you are. Alright, so for that lower lash line, let's go for a warmer tone, brownish. Fading it out as well. Blending until we drop back to darkness, closest to that lash line, yeah. And again, blending it outwards. And while we're at it, let's drench that waterline with additional black. Who knew? And since this is a glammy kind of jigsaw look, yep, you're right, the falsies needs to be thrown on. So there they are. And yeah, that was a quick one. We already switched to the highlight step here. Highlights for the win. Deep down inside, I think the highlights are Ellie's favorite moments. Getting those on there, getting the sheen and the shine on those cheekbones. Yeah, gotta have it. Gotta look the part in this glammy jigsaw. And of course, to look alive, we need to add warmth with a little rouge. More warm tones as we switch to lips. Lip lining. So on a look like this, which is basically regular makeup with a little pow, of course, but which part of this application process is hardest for you? What do you struggle most with, and what would you like to have extra guidance on when it comes to these the basic makeup concepts? Let us know. Oh, that's a boom in those lips. Looking awesome. Right, so let's get those twirly things going. Kinda hard to see here on the screen maybe, but we are outlining first before we commit to the shape. So a thin line there until we got it just the way we want it. This is a perfect way to screw the whole thing up. So go gently here until you feel you're comfortable with the shape. And when you are, hit it. Go deep, go dark. And to deepen that red little swirl, we go in with a grease-based red tone here and a small brush and fill it in. I'm drawing spirals in my face. In Swedish is jag målar spiraler i nyllet. And after adding that punch to the twirls, let's hit it with some blood as well. Let it run down in some key places there. By the way, how many of you think that Ellie looks super hot in those dark contacts? They look pretty awesome. Rhinestone time. If you are ever in need of that extra sparkle and glam vibe, throw in the rhinestones. Do it. These are more like little pearls, actually. I think. I don't know. Stick them in there, and if they don't stick by themselves, add a little skin adhesive of your favorite kind. Yeah. Blink, blink. I'm done. But yeah, let's get these rags off. That's way better. Now we're looking the part. All that's missing is a bit of glossy. And there we go. And the last step before putting on the gloves is getting the hair tangled in the makeup. And after that, it's, teeth check there. On with the gloves. And after that, you are ready. You are one glamorous looking jigsaw individual who can, stay at home. Because there is no Halloween party. Anyway, let's hear what you think about this. I like it. It's straightforward, it's easy, and it looks really, really good. So yeah, try it on, tag us on Instagram, show us your version of this, and we'll see you soon. Bye.